Dang, I need to get it in here.
That motherfucker got some bells of hay at the end.
Yeah, you gonna hit that.
You want to shoot a video?
Yeah.
You just want to shoot a video?
You just want to make a video.
Yeah.
Thought it that, but then that's what it is then.
Right?
Yeah, that's what it is. I told you I had a pocket full.
Ace.
ASAP mean we going goddamn meet Canada Drive.
Right now.
Oh man, that stuff is funny, man. Alright. Let's see. Oh well, at least I do know it ain't gonna it is stay running now.
It was stay running?
Yeah, the phone. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Trent running that thing. Phone wasn't gonna save me. I need to be in order for me that was all I needed to see right there. I just wanted to see if it'll go. And it did go. Now I can worry about doing the tire pressure and putting this glue down. I got some glue on the trunk, I think. It should still be in there. Yeah, it should be some more. I lost people money. I don't even think the light's working. This ain't a grudge race. It wasn't a grudge race. Man, my shit was spinning, man.
Guess what, baby?
Yeah.
That's a mullet, motherfucker. Ain't no shade. That's a mullet or a booty.
Right.
Look, this is all I seen.
What you
Oh,
think?
damn, she recording too.
Damn, for real.
This all I seen.
Oh.
The bag.
You at the very beginning from the light?
Man, I'm finna, I'm finna,
I ain't even gonna
I'm
count.
at-
I almost left too.
yeah. Oh, you did?
Yeah.
I was thinking, damn. Man, I'm finna go put the glue down now, y'all. I know it'll stay running now. Let me see, did I get on this side? Okay, bam. Let him cool off. Yeah. Yeah, man. Damn, man. He ready, y'all. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Man, you spraying that hard.
I ain't spraying shit. No, you ain't heard no spray. Come on, man. No.
I heard that supercharger, boy.
Man, that bitch ain't doing nothing, man.
Man, give me back time.
No, hell no. You gotta wait then, man. Before I give anything, you gotta wait.
I knew he was gonna get that, but why you spend for once in a
Man,
lifetime?
I don't know why I spent that time. I don't know
At
why.
all times,
Out of all, it didn't even spin a while ago, but I did want the left lane. I felt like that left lane. I got some glue and stuff. I just wanted to make sure that it'll, the first pass I did when I stumped it, it went dead. So I went to go get some gas. It needed some gas. So now I was trying to make sure that was really the problem because I didn't know. It might did need the gas. I don't know. But now I stump it. It will work. So now I was going to check the tire pressure, put the glue down, and race him. And race him.
Nah, I still did what it did.
Nah, I can't give them nothing. They already saying don't give them nothing.
Hold down.
Nah, I ain't did nothing else. Nah, that's the same way, man. I just be parking this car in the garage, man. That's all I do is park it in the garage, man.
You got something from Trent?
No, I was just checking something. I was just checking something. Dang, y'all, I can't give them no back tire, y'all.
That's reasonable, bro.
That ain't not this week, man. My supercharger pump ain't even working, man. You gonna run me with a hot supercharger? I'm gonna have the supercharger hot. No, I think you done upgraded something, man. Let me let it cool off now in case you change your mind. I ain't upgraded nothing either. I'm still the same. I wish I could give you the back tires. When I change up something, I'm come giving you getting the back tires. Watch. Damn. Yeah, the next time when I upgrade, I'll be able to get you the back tires. B from the D say don't give him shit. I can't beat him if I give him some, y'all.
Beat me last time.
I know I won. I ain't did away with no back tires, and it was a burn. Hell, if I would have gave you back tires, you would have won that one. Back tires a lot when shit, he in my class, y'all. Yeah, let's just wait. Let's wait. I don't care. We can just wait.
Right now.
All right, that's cool. I'll do it. I'm scared myself, so hell.
Yeah, I've seen the way that whole spin.
Man, he talking about I seen the way it's spinning. Ah. Oh, he must have fixed it. Yeah, right here. What? What's up with it, man? Yeah, I see the message. I can't read it yet though. Poop. Ike's a beast, dude. He drinks gorilla breast milk every morning for breakfast. Hey, you know Ike?
Yeah, I know Ike.
Okay, I was just making sure.
Ike and Billy.
Yeah,
Yes,
Ike's a
sir.
beast.
Hey, my wife's related to Ike and Billy clan.
Oh yeah?
Yes, sir. She's the last of the clan.
Oh, okay, okay. I
That's
ain't
why
know.
she's so damn crazy. That's why I'm scared of her. She's better shot than I am.
Oh, okay.
She's better driver than I am, too. She wants to
Hell,
drive in.
now let her drive the Hellcat.
She does drive the Hellcat.
Okay. Tell her to race me in the Hellcat
Hey,
then.
I don't know if you want no smoke like
Yeah, I
that.
want some smoke. Let me see if I can tree her at the light.
Hey, dude, she cuts a hard light in that car.
I want to see. I need to see. Bring her up here next time.
Well,
Can she come?
I told you she was sick, man.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Damn, I forgot.
Yeah, we'll find out.
How everything is still going on?
Yeah, we don't know nothing yet, man. It'll be this next week. I got to bring her to Cedar Hill tomorrow. They're going to do a thyroid check on her, see what your thyroid is.
Oh, okay, okay.
Jesse! Hey, can you open that door?
My boy said he hot, man.
But taking her to Cedar Hill tomorrow. Cedar Hill imaging, and they're going to do a sonogram and an MRI on her thyroid.
Okay.
Because it was that XRP dude, and her belly swelled up like she was 9 months pregnant. You know how little my wife is.
Yeah.
And she's, in 45 minutes, dude,